In this video, I'll show you how to download MP3 music files on your Android phone for free. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. To begin, open any web browser on your Android device, such as Chrome. Next, visit a website that offers free music downloads, like Pixabay or another trusted source. You can also check the video description for useful links. Once you're on the website, open the menu and select the music section. You'll find a large collection of free songs available to browse. Scroll through the list and use the play button to preview any track before downloading it. When you find a song you like, tap the download button. The file will be saved to your Android phone automatically. After the download is complete, open the file from your Downloads folder or notification panel and play it using your preferred music player. That's all it takes to download free MP3 music on your Android device. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides.